Can he help with the ladders?
Right, something.
What's up, little buddy? Can you help with the ladders, man? See, he got a leaf with him. Oh, y'all see this baby right here? Make sure my paws is good. Oh, you can take a sip of this good old monster. That might taste like Mountain Dew when it's hot. Yeah, man, we got to pull out the 40-footer. We ain't brung the 40-footer out. It's been a second. Matter of fact, I think the last time I brung out the 40-footer, you was with me. There we go. Put that mug up. Got to make sure my bootstraps up. What? Give me 1 second up. Got it. Well, at least this part ain't that sleep.
No, this might as well be flat. It's about the least amount of pitches you could possibly get.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yeah, go look at now. Check and see if it's on choke or something.
No, it's all right.
All right. Might have to give it some. Let me go up and hit. Let me go. I'm going to go up while you stay down. That way at least one of us down here. You can hit this shit real quick. I told you, man, my pitch, my slope and my grass, bro. Slope and grass. Oh, we got us a new helper. I mean, can he help? I know you tempted to blow it with the blower.
I thought about it. There's a mold over here that just moved.
A who? Mold?
Yeah, except for it's a frog. It looks like a piece of mold.
It's a frog?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, wow. They have frogs up here?
I mean, they have one.
You got ninjas on your roof and you got frogs on your roof. Which one y'all want cleaning y'all gutters?
I thought it was a piece of mold.
This is always fun. Isn't this fun? I know you having fun watching, huh? You having fun watching, ain't you? Hey, you want to come bring some gluck on the roof? Come on. You can get up here like this. Get up here and pop. Come up here and skitty dip at night on the roof. A case. That's what that is. I done had to do the extra move real quick. Yeah, glad I didn't get the vein. It got me. Not paying attention. That ain't, it's the not the stucco, but the metal part, the trim. The frog stood on there?
Yeah, he just moved over towards that corner right there. I don't know how he got up here.
Man. Almost, they some little sticky creatures.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh yeah, and he blended in too?
Yeah, it looked like mold. I really thought that's what it was.
So basically that's a stucco frog.
Yeah, I mean it is now. He's trying to get in that window.
See, you better leave your boy alone while I'm out here. Hey. It's just the back, but it's like a car right there too, man. Just have, hey Leoma, yeah. You think you can grab Joe's blower? Can you grab the ladder right here, Joe? Huh, Tree? I mean, I think this ladder would be cool right there. I wouldn't trust this without the little plastics over there. You know what I'm talking about?
No, I didn't hear words you said.
I said I kind of trust this one right here, but I'm an angle feast type guy. Let me see.
More, you need to get this over. You already get that.
All right, it's good. Good, Leoma, feet. Yeah, it's cool. We're just gonna worry about safety right now. Definitely with being around these cars for real. Yeah, yep. I got it. Just get them feet on that one. Push on it, yeah. No, it ain't gonna fall on you. It's just so he can ladder walk.
It's all right. I gotta go right there anyway.
All right, feet on this one. It's good. Huh? The other side is good.
Well then, yeah, you're good.
Let me see. I gotta take pictures anyway. I don't need it.
I don't know how much cleaner you're gonna get that.
Right.
Just the blower.
Get Glooks to squirt on it. Hey! I'm just speaking facts. Oh yeah, it's a little piece over there. Probably because we just blew it over. But it ain't nothing but a little hound dog.
Over there?
On this side, it's like a little hound dog right there. They ain't nothing but a hound dog. I was gonna see if you gonna get it. That hand that Elvis Presley got to you, bro. That's what it was.
It's been sitting here for a while though. You can tell because how dirty it is in only certain spots.
Yeah. I think we're gonna work out for the good. We're gonna work out on this one, huh? Right in the grass. When I get done, I blow it into a pile with a rake. I do need to start utilizing like a little bucket sometimes, you know what I'm saying? It just be, the thing about the bucket though, 95% of the time we're not using it. Right. So that means it's gonna be in the way 95% of the time, you know what I'm saying? Huh? You could put the ladder down if you want to. Let me see that, Joe. Oh yeah, that sound like it's about to do something.
I should have put them all back there, but I didn't realize.
Yeah. Blow that way.